Welcome to the Robo Olympics Challenge, where robots are built, ideas collide, and teamwork takes the gold. Step 1. Assemble your bot. Each team gets a robot kit. Work together to build your base robot. Every roll, every screw, every decision counts. Step 2. Compete in 4 Olympic challenges. The robot participates in 4 thrilling events. Robo Sumo War, push rivals out of the ring. Robo Soccer, score goals with robot teamwork. Grab and drop, pick up and drop a bottle at the target. Terrain race, navigate tricky terrains fast and smooth. Step 3, claim the gold. Teams are judged on performance, creativity, and teamwork. It's not just about winning, it's about how you work as one. Final outcome, Robo Olympics builds trust, sparks creativity, and unites teams through a shared, high-energy mission. Ready, set, build. Let the Robo Olympics begin.